Miss Hope, our amazing teacher, brought us out to the garden to learn about the soil and the plants, and we got to plant some seeds.
Our school has provided some flower beds, and we call it Garden Day, and so we bring the students out and they get to explore about plants.
I got to plant carrots and lettuce.
Yeah, and we got to pat down the sophisticated dirt. And we got to observe the butterfly garden.
We have different topics in science, and one of the topics that we cover is pollination, or how plants are pollinated. And so this fits right in with what we're doing.
They get carrot seeds. They produce a flower at the top. And if you shake it, when it gets like crunchy, it will drop the seeds. At the end of the year, we're gonna come back out here and we're gonna take a picture again, and we're gonna see how the plants have changed and how much they've grown. I look forward to taste them and to pick them.
Yeah, seeing how much it's grown over the time period, and seeing if the butterfly garden grows or there's more butterfly eggs.
I definitely am glad that we have it. I appreciate that Miss Salter takes the time to give us these beautiful gardens to be able to get our hands in and experience it, and we love it.